Your smile is the most important part of a good first impression, so it's definitely worth investing in. In fact, a survey showed that 48% of Americans consider a person's smile to be their most memorable feature. If your pearly whites are not as pearly or as white as they used to be, you may not be making the impression that you may want to. Cosmetic veneers are one of the best ways to repair chipped, cracked, or stained teeth. Even so, it's best to understand the whole process before you make that commitment. Keep watching this video to find out everything you need to know about porcelain veneers. Hi, I'm Dr. William Park with Blessed Smile and Smile on You Dentistry. In this video, we will be talking about dental veneers and everything you should know about them before you decide to get them. But before we start, if you like our videos and you like what we're doing, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to be subscribed to our channel. It really helps a lot. Okay, let's get into it. So how do veneers work? Dental veneers are thin, custom-made ceramic shells that get adhered to the fronts of your teeth. And they can last for many years if you take good care of them. The ceramic material is tinted to the exact shade of whiteness that would look best with your complexion. Recent advancements have allowed veneers to possess the same translucent quality as the rest of your teeth. So even brilliant white smiles can look very natural. Veneers are a great choice for people that want to keep their teeth, but do need a little more substantial correction than what whitening can offer. Good candidates include patients with significant staining, cracks or chips, short or mismatched teeth, or just natural wear and tear from aging. What can you expect when you're getting your veneers? Getting veneers is generally a multi-step process that involves 2 to 3 visits in between a span of a few weeks. The initial process would begin with the initial checkup and consultation. Your dentist will evaluate your smile, determine whether you're a good candidate, and can discuss a plan for moving ahead with the treatment. Next, your dentist will prepare your teeth for the veneers. This involves taking down a very thin layer of the enamel on the front of your teeth. This will be generally less than the thickness of your fingernail. They will then take an impression of your new smile, and then you will have a set of temporary veneers that will stay on until the permanent ones arrive. This trial period allows you to decide if there's anything that you'd like to change about it, just to make sure that you like the color and the shape of your new smile. It's effectively a test drive of your new teeth. Once the final porcelain veneers have been sculpted, you would come back to try them on, and if everything looks great to you, we get to deliver them that day. The temporary veneers are removed, and the permanent veneers are applied with the bonding cement, and then you are ready to go. So if you're interested in porcelain veneers, make sure you see an experienced dentist. Cosmetic dentistry is still very serious work, and it's important that you are getting your treatment with a dentist who has a lot of experience with this kind of work. Not all dental offices offer cosmetic services, so you may want to shop around until you find one that does. Before you make your decision, ask your dentist if they have a gallery of some before and after photos to find out if you like their work. Each dentist has their own personal style, so make sure to find one that matches your own. Testimonials are also a great way to ensure that you're seeing a great dentist. You can check out online reviews, or you can ask your friends and family to see if they have any recommendations. So are dental veneers right for you? If you're unsatisfied with the current state of your teeth, porcelain veneers may be the right choice for you. This fairly simple, non-invasive procedure can give you a brand new smile in about 2 to 3 weeks. Our experienced team at Blessed Smile and Smile on You Dentistry have been providing high-quality care to the Diamond Bar and Orange County area since 1996. We provide a wide range of cosmetic, restorative, preventative, and implant dental services so that you can have the healthy and beautiful smile that you've always wanted. If you're thinking about porcelain veneers or you have any other concerns about your dental health, make sure to contact us today for a consultation. You can find us at smileonyoudentistry.com. Thank you so much for watching.